The most final-looking dummy units of Apple's upcoming iPhone Ultra or Fold, whatever they call it, have just leaked online. And these appear to be finished, as if they are what you are getting done. And, to be honest, Apple's decisions here will undoubtedly divide opinions. Beginning with the iPhone 18 Pro, there isn't much to say. It looks almost identical to the 17 Pro. Same overall vibe and design language. If you were hoping for something bold, this is not it. It's the type of upgrade where you'd have trouble telling the difference unless you put both phones side by side. It's safe, predictable, and very Apple. But the foldable is where things get interesting because Apple didn't just create a foldable. They attempted to fix foldables. In the classic Apple way, they look at an existing idea and say, "Okay, but what if we do it differently?" The buttons provide the most obvious clue. Unlike the Huawei Pura X and Max, which uses a more conventional side button layout, Apple has done something unexpected. The volume buttons have been moved to the device's top. That initially appears to be a terrible idea. Like, who requested that? But then you realize it's not a typical phone shape. When opened, it's wider, shorter, and looks more like a mini tablet. And in that context, it actually makes a lot of sense. Your fingers naturally rest closer to the top edge, so adjusting volume there makes sense. Then you fold it. Now you're back to using it like a normal phone, and those same buttons are in the most awkward position possible. Changing the volume with one hand is essentially finger gymnastics. So Apple may have solved one issue while creating another. The power button on the side is expected to double as Touch ID, which is a big deal. Face ID on a foldable device is challenging. Bringing back Touch ID appears to be a very wise and practical decision. However, there is a strange cutout on the side that appears to be a 5G antenna, but it is located exactly where you would expect a volume rocker. It's so clean, almost too clean, that you wonder if it's a touch-sensitive control.